At Shane Homes, we've designed your home to be comfortable and beautiful for many years. But in order to keep it that way, it's important to maintain certain portions of your home each year or even sooner. This is true of your HRV. Now, the HRV actually pulls the air down from the bathrooms, from the second floor bathrooms. So it's keeping it clean. Will make sure that the air leaves those bathrooms quickly, helping you with steam and other things in the showers. Also, the HRV is designed to keep the air inside the house clean and healthy for you. The maintenance is very easy. There's nothing to replace, but there is some cleaning that needs to be done. First of all, to access the inside, there are two clips on the top of the HRV. Once you open those up, the door comes down, giving you access to the inside. For the HRV, these green filters that you see on the top, these can be cleaned or vacuumed every 1 to 2 months. That's a good habit to get into. As you can see, when we pull this one out, a lot of dirt, debris, pollen and dead bugs can accumulate on these. This is where all the outside air, all of the dust and dirt from outside gets filtered before it comes into your house. So keeping this clean will keep the inside of your home cleaner. So clean these once every 1 month or 2 months. The easiest way to clean these green filters is to vacuum them. They are washable, but I find when you wash them, they tend to shrink and get thinner, become less effective over time. If you just vacuum them, keep them clean, they'll last for many years to come. Just put them down here. The core of the HRV needs to be washed out at least twice a year. I generally recommend Labor Day weekend, Victoria Day weekend, and putting a reminder in your phone to do this. It's very easy to do. Pull the core out. This. Take it upstairs, either in the sink or outside on the deck, and wash all 4 sides out. It's also a good idea when you have the core of the HRV out, just to vacuum and clean out the inside of the main unit, the main box. Now it's ready for you to install the core and the filters. You want to make sure that the sticker is facing towards you and that the arrow is pointing up. Then to put it back in, you want to make sure that it sits in these grooves, one on each of the 4 corners. Just put it in those grooves and push it back in. Then you can reinstall the green filters, one on either side. Make sure to close the lid and secure the latches. Now you're done for another 6 months.